Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have completed the solid state chemistry with respect to introduction, importance of solid state chemistry, some terms involved in solid state chemistry such that crystal lattice or space lattice, lattice point, unit cell, and lattice constant are also called as lattice parameters. And also we have studied some 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices. Now we are going to study the next one point for the solid state chemistry is closest packing of rigid spheres. How the spheres, we always consider that all the atoms or molecules are rigid spheres, and by considering the rigid sphere, how they are closely packed with each other, how their arrangement looks like, how they envisage their external appearance. Here we are going to study the next one point that is called as the closest packing of rigid spheres. That means the external appearance of the crystal may reflect the internal structure which depends on the arrangement of the particle constituting the crystal. Since the internal regularity of atom placement in a solid mostly leads to symmetry, it is necessary to study the internal arrangement of the particles. The internal structure of crystal mainly depends upon the type of bonds and the arrangement of the crystal lattices. The internal structure of the solids can be well understood by assuming atoms as a hard spheres, rigid spheres of equal dimension and arranging them in a closest packing. The arrangement is a close. Therefore, we can say that what do you mean by the closest packing of rigid sphere? Here we can say it as a closest packing is the way of arranging equidimensional spheres in space so that the available space is filled up effectively or more efficiently. Whatever the space, we can always consider the space available for the arrangement is always 100%. Therefore, how we are going to arrange all the atoms which are equal in size, in dimension, effectively and efficiently, arranging the available space in what manner. Therefore, a bunch of grapes, a honeycomb, a raft of soap bubbles, or a pile of orange or any fruits, they are the different examples of closest packing arrangement. These are the closest packing arrangement. When you consider in two dimension, there are two ways in which spheres can be arranged in a closed packing as shown in the figure. A and B, closed packed arrangement of spheres in two dimension. Two ways we can arrange the spheres, hard spheres. In first figure, each sphere is in contact with four neighbors, while in second figure, each sphere is in contact with six neighbors. By arrangement shown in the figure A, we can say that the percentage of space filled by the spheres is nearly 50%, and by arrangement shown in second figure we can say that it is more efficient and it is up to 60 to 70%. Thus, in two dimension, the closest packing, each sphere is in contact with six spheres. That means the arrangement is most effectively and efficiently the second one. We can occupy this available space maximum. In 3 dimensions, there are 3 different ways in which hard spheres can be arranged. We can say that the hexagonal close packing HCP. Second one is the cubic close packing, that is CCP, and body centered cubic close packing, that is BCC. These can be well understood by representing the atoms or ions as a sphere. The spheres are arranged in such a way that a sphere is in contact with maximum number of similar equidimensional spheres. The spheres are arranged in such a way that every sphere is in contact with maximum number of similar equidistant equidimensional spheres, and the number of nearest neighbors for an atom or the ion is called as the coordination number. The number of nearest neighbors or for the atom or the ion is called as the coordination number. Therefore, in the given figure, you can say that this one is the our one sphere which is in contact with similar equidimensional spheres. These are the 6 spheres. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Therefore, we can say that the coordination number of the central atom, or ion is 6. Why it is 6? Because it is in actual contact with 6 similar equidimensional spheres. Therefore, the coordination number of the central atom is 6, and each and every one. The second one, this is also the contact with 6 similar equidimensional spheres. Therefore, each and every atom or ion in the 3-dimensional arrangement is in having maximum coordination number is 6. The closest packing can be explained by stacking of layers of the spheres. In solid state chemistry, since 3-dimensional structures are usually studied on the 2 dimensions, visualization talent is to be developed. Imagination power is the most important to how to visualize, how to see the given molecule, given ion, given atom in 3 dimensions, how they are arranged. This is the visualization talent is to be improved and developed. First layer of sphere is 2-dimensional. Stacking of second layer is possible only on the stacking of second layer possible only on the hollows of the first layer, that is the empty space given by the first layer. While doing so, some of the hollows are left unfilled and marked as a dot. Here we can mark it as a dot. These are the hollows given by first layer, and these are effectively and completely filled by second layer. That means we can easily place a second atom or second rigid sphere on the hollow space to fulfill, completely occupy it efficiently and effectively according to the definition of the closest packing. Third layer of the sphere can be stacked either over the first of the spheres, and the structure is repeated after 2 layers. Therefore, we can say that AB type of structure. Layer first is called as A, layer second is called as B. When you complete The again layer third one is look like a first layer, and we can say that there is a possibility of AB type of structure. And when there is a AB type of structure, we can say that it is the hexagonal close packing structure. AB, this type of arrangement is called as the hexagonal close packing HCP, as shown in the given figure. And the fulfilled unfilled hollows marked dots of first layer, and the structure gets repeated after three layers. The ABC type of structure is there. If there is present ABC structure is present, that is the first layer is dotted, second one is the rigid line, third one is the dark line. Then ABC type of structure is present, then we can say that there is a presence of cubic close packing. AB type of structure, repetition of layer A, layer B, repetition of layer A, layer B, stacking of layer continuously to occupy the available 100% space completely. When there is a third layer is introduced, which is other than layer A, that is the first layer, then we can say that there is a ABC layers. Layer A, then over the layer B, then again the third layer C, which is different from layer A, and again the fourth layer, which is equal to, which look like say layer A, then we can say that there A, B, C, there is a repetition. Layer A, layer B, layer C, layer A, layer B, layer C. This type of repetition is observed. Then this is a weak close packing structure. This type of arrangement is called as cubic close packing, and the result is in face-centered cubic close packing, that is FCCP lattices. These arrangements are also shown in the figure. This is the FCC lattice. This is one called as the hexagonal close packing lattice. This is the simple unit cell. Unit cell of the FCC, unit cell of the hexagonal close packing structure. When the spheres in first layer marked as a X, when you consider the sphere of the first layer is X, and whereas the sphere of second layer we marked it as a Y. Therefore, we can say that this is layer A is X, layer B is Y. When this type of arrangement is there, it is different. We can say that when the spheres in first layer marked X of the cubic close packing undergoes slight opening, that is there is a some distance, they are away from each other, they are not in actual contact with each other, there is some distance is there, there is some distance is there. That means we can say that there is slight opening. Then third type of arrangement is called as body centered cubic close packing. Then we can observe the BCC lattice. Due to this loose packing, none of the sphere in the layer will remain in contact with each other. They are away from each other. No, there is actual contact with each other. Therefore, the coordination number of sphere X is 0. Why it is 0? Coordination number of X 0 because it is away from other similar equidimensional sphere. They are not in actual contact with each other. They are away from some distance. The second layer of the sphere, marked as a Y, may be built up on top of the first layer of X in such a way that each sphere of second layer, each sphere of second layer has been found to be in contact with four spheres of first layer. Four spheres of first layer. That is 4x. If the successive building of other layer is carried on, third layer will be same as the first layer, that is X, on the top of the X. This type of arrangement will result in body-centered cubic closed packing, where each sphere has been found to be in contact with 8 other spheres. That is the 4 spheres in the layer just above and the 4 spheres in the layer just below, as shown in this figure. That is, these are the 4x. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is as shown in this. This is the x. This is the initial state. Then we are stacked over the layer y, which is in actual contact with 4 layers of below its plane and upper the plane. That is the 4 above and below. This is the layer third. This is the third layer. This is the first layer. This is second layer. This is third layer. Therefore, we can say that the Y is in actual contact with 8 similar equidistant equidimensional spheres. Therefore, the coordination number of body-centered cube unit cell is 8. Coordination number, that is the 4 spheres in the layer just above and the 4 spheres in the layer just below. Coordination number is 8. In each closed packed arrays of spheres, 26% of the space remains unoccupied and may be regarded as a voids or holes or interstices in the crystal lattice, which are of great importance. There are a number of arrangement of closest packing are there present, but still we can't fulfill the available space effectively and efficiently up to 100%. We efficiently and effectively occupy the spaces up to 74%. Therefore, the 26% space remains unoccupied, and it is always called as the holes or interstices or the voids of the crystal lattice. And due to this, there is a new properties are generated for the solid state chemistry. Thank you. We can stop here now. In third lecture, we are going to study the efficiency of packing and what do you mean by the packing density. Thank you. Thank you all.